My name is Susan McGee and I'm the attendance clerk at Florence Middle School. I had a feeling Miss Nix was up to something when she asked me to go to the program, and as soon as she said there were two things that they were going to do, I knew something was up. But I was very excited, very humbled.
So Miss McGee was one of the very first people that I met when I came to Florence Middle School 9 years ago, and she was attendance. What I did not know is what a big role that is in our school. Miss McGee runs Florence Middle School.
That makes me feel very good that she would think that about me. I do try to give my best. I'm a perfectionist and I like things to be just so-so, and I wouldn't say I run the school, but I have been here a long time, so that helps.
She knows what we need to do. She tells us what we need to do. She cares about kids. She does the little things that nobody asks her to do that really, when she's not here to do them, you realize what a big impact those little things mean. She goes out and helps with our car line in the afternoon. She knows everybody's mother's name that picks them up, father's name, whoever picks them up from school. She also knows their pet's name.
This is absolutely my family. I spend more time with these people than I do my own family. That means a lot to me, the close relationships that I've made.